Ah, it's a fucking scorcher out here. We're out here in Niantic at Hartford Giant Grinder. We're gonna try those fucking pickles. Let's get started. All right, we're back. My name's Zoe, Pickle God, aka Mr. Figadillion. Today we're at Hartford Giant Grinder, located in Niantic on 8 Hope Street. A friend of mine from high school says he has good pickles. We're gonna see today. And we're gonna try a sandwich, and I'm gonna risk it all by having some fucking Hosmer birch beer because, well, I'm diabetic. Let's go.
The dream descends to the region of moon, to the land, the sphere of eternal sin.
Well, as you can see, they pulled out all the stops. They haven't even opened the jar yet. I'm the first to crack it. Let's see what we fucking got. All right. Grape brine, it looks like. I thought it was collard greens in there personally, but I guess it's grape leaves. Shout out to the Greeks. All right, let's check one of these out, man. There we go. Now Smiley's my boy, and I'm just meeting Chris, but this is a good ass fucking pickle. Good ass fucking pickle. And I don't give a fuck, those is collard greens. You hear that crunch? Oh shit. They got some good ass pickles at Hartford Giant Grinder. Now, if you like the vinegar, garlic, pungent taste, you can definitely come through with the onion on there. Tons of dill. This is a really good quality pickle. You need to fucking jar this shit up and sell it at Stop and Shop or whatever the fuck it is around here. Good ass fucking pickle. Now Shirley's not here today, so we're gonna go ahead and take one to go for her. Secure in the bag. For Cheryl. Peace. We're also trying sandwiches, I guess. I got a roast beef, turkey combo. Let me tell you something. All their meat is made in-house. They got a horseradish mayo on here, shredded lettuce, not that chopped up bullshit that they do in New London. I got it on the hard roll because, you know, I'm trying to watch my figure a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Got tomato on there. Let's see what's going on. Holy shit. It's a good ass fucking sandwich. We just started a new show? I think we did. Let's try this pickle again. The fucking pickle is amazing. Niggas better get out here and get this pickle, man. Stop playing around. All right, man. See y'all later.
go. Some sort of taste I'm not sure about. That's spicy though. Hold on. Hold on. What is the taste? There's something I don't like about it. It's a good pickle, but there's something in there that I don't like. It's spicy, and I don't like spicy. We already know this.
Spicy.
It's not my favorite.
Ouch!